In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Odoo version. Knowing exactly which Odoo version you're using is really important, especially when you're installing apps, following tutorials, or talking to support. Different versions can have slightly different menus, features, or compatibility. So taking a moment to confirm your version can save you a lot of confusion later on. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quickest and most reliable way to find your Odoo version directly from your dashboard. First, go ahead and log into your Odoo account using your usual credentials. Give it a second to load, and once you're in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is the screen where you see your different Odoo apps or modules, like sales, inventory, accounting, or others, depending on what's installed on your system. From this main dashboard, look towards the center area where your widgets or app icons are displayed. Among those options, you should see one labeled Settings. This is the place where you manage configurations for your Odoo environment, so it's where Odoo also displays information about your system. Click on the Settings option to open it. When the Settings page loads, you might see several sections and configuration options depending on your user permissions and which apps you have installed. Don't worry about all of those for now. What you're looking for is the section that tells you about your Odoo system itself. To find that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Take your time and keep scrolling until you reach the end of the page. Near the bottom, you'll find a section labeled About. This is where Odoo summarizes key technical information about your instance. In the About section, you will see the Odoo version or edition displayed. It may show something like a version number, such as 15 or Scene, and it might also indicate whether you're on the Online, Enterprise, or Community edition, depending on your setup. This information is what you'll want to note down or share when someone asks which Odoo version you are using, and that's it. By logging into your account, heading to Settings, and scrolling to the About section at the bottom, you can quickly confirm the exact Odoo version or edition you're running. This simple check will help you follow the right documentation, install compatible apps, and communicate clearly with your team or support whenever you need help.